3 under 2.
So we're packing up and cleaning up and checking out of our motel today. For the whole 3 nights that we were here, we were the only guests, which was amazing for us. The manager is fairly new to the place and he's been doing a lot of great things, and hopefully business picks up here a bit more. We'll leave the link in the description below to this place because it really is beautiful and you're right in the rainforest and it's well worth visiting. So for now I am cleaning up without the kids, which is fantastic, and then we're heading off to Cooktown. And Cooktown is as far as we will be going this trip, unfortunately, but we're really excited to see a bit more of Northern Australia.
So we're all packed up and ready to go, but right now we're going to take this opportunity to show you guys some of the other rooms here at this motel. So we're probably about halfway to Cooktown, but we've just stopped here at this lookout and it is absolutely epic. Okay, so we've just checked here in the caravan park, or one of the caravan parks here in Cooktown. We just have a look around. We're pretty happy with our cabin. It's got everything we need, plenty of space, so we're really happy with that. Now we're gonna baby proof this place. Full size fridge, really happy with that. So I've emptied everything out of here, here, and here. This cupboard here. Squeeze it all into here. We're able to lock that with this, and all the cutlery will just slide under here, and that there. Job done. Something that's kind of cool and saves a lot of space are these sliding doors literally inside the wall.
Actually pretty cool because it's not a shared bathroom. You'd have the whole thing to yourself, which would really come in handy if you're camping, especially with young kids.
So the kids are still so hyped up, they're bouncing off the walls. So we're gonna take them to the pool and just get them to burn off some energy. It's really cool because the pool is just over there. So we've got the camp kitchen here. Pretty decent camp kitchen. Got the notice board. Got the communal fridge. Stainless steel sinks. Kettle, toaster, microwave. Standard 4-burner cooktop. And 3 barbecues. Another stainless steel washing up sink, another sink with a kind of bar setup, and plenty of seating. We got some banana trees here. It's really cool. They look like little ladyfinger bananas. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support the channel, click the like button below, and if you want to see even more content, check out our Instagram, which is 3__2.